In the heart of Surat, a brand was born. A brand that would redefine elegance, craftsmanship, and trust. Welcome to the world of Armima. The story of Armima began with two visionary brothers, Pankaj and Sagar, who shared a passion for sarees. With an unwavering commitment to quality, they handpicked the finest fabrics, creating intricate designs that captured the essence of timeless beauty. At Armima, we believe in the art of creation. Every saree is meticulously crafted by skilled artisans who pour their heart and soul into each stitch. Our manufacturing process embodies a pursuit of perfection. Ensuring that every saree that bears the Armima name is a masterpiece of craftsmanship. But Armima is not just about sarees. It's about the people who make it possible. We value our employees as family, providing them with a nurturing environment, fair wages, and opportunities to grow. Because we believe that when our employees are happy, they create sarees that radiate happiness. At Armima, we forge relationships that transcend transactions. We cherish the emotional connection we share with our customers. Understanding that every saree holds a special place in their hearts. We strive to make every purchase a delightful experience where our customers feel valued and cherished. When you choose Armima, you choose a promise of excellence in every detail. Our packaging is a reflection of our dedication to perfection. Each saree is lovingly wrapped and carefully packaged, ensuring that it arrives at your doorstep in pristine condition, ready to adorn you with grace and elegance. Armima, a brand built on trust, commitment, and the love for sarees. Join us on this extraordinary journey and experience the joy, beauty, and elegance that only Armima can bring. Armima. Live the legacy of style.